Okay, humans, welcome back to AP Calculus. Today we're covering AP Calculus AB free response question number 6 from the 2013 test on differential equations. Let's get started. So they say to consider the differential equation e to the y times 3x squared minus 6x. Let y equals f of x be the particular solution to the differential equation that passes through 1, 0. Alright? So for part A, write an equation for the line tangent to the graph of f at the point 1, 0. Use the tangent line to approximate f of 1.2. So they gave us a presumably separable differential equation and a solution point. Awesome! So what does every good tangent line need? A slope, which is just a derivative and a point. Alright, so we have our point, which is 1, 0. Now let's find our slope, which is conveniently given to us by dy dx, which is this part right here. So to find our slope, we're just going to basically plug 1, 0 into our dy dx. So we get e to the 0th times 3 times 1 squared minus 6 times 1. And you'll see that you get negative 3. So we're going to put that into point slope form for our tangent lines. We have y minus 0 equals negative 3 times x minus 1. Pretty standard stuff. Nice. I'm just going to plug in 1.2 to approximate, and we've got that y is approximately equal to negative 3 times 1.2 minus 1. Normally I wouldn't simplify this, but you know, it's pretty easy, so we get like negative 0.6. Alright, that's all for part A. Part B, find y equals f of x, the particular solution to the differential equation that passes through 1, 0. The meat. Well, let's start by separating. We have 1 over e to the y dy is equal to 3x squared minus 6x dx. All I did basically was get my y's onto one side and my x's onto another side. Step 2 is to integrate. So the antiderivative of 1 over e to the y is negative e to the negative y. Because this is basically like e to the x, it's still e to the x, but we still have the negative, so we add it via chain rule. And then on this side, we have just x cubed minus 3x squared. And don't forget to add your c, your constant here. That was just reverse power rule. Now, I could simplify this further, but I'm just going to plug my 0.10 into here, which gives us negative e to the negative 0th is equal to 1 cubed minus 3 times 1 squared plus c. This sort of confused me for a while, because I was like, wouldn't that just be negative 1? But no, apparently it cancels out and it's just positive 1. And this is just 1 minus 1 equals 0, so c equals 1. Nice. Now I can solve for y to make my y equals f of x. Da, 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 da. Okay, so we had like negative e to the negative y or something. So to undo our e, we're going to take the natural log of both sides, and we'll get that negative y equals the natural log of negative x cubed plus 3x squared minus 1. Lastly, we'll multiply by a negative 1 here to cancel it out. We'll get y equals negative natural log of negative x cubed plus 3x squared minus 1. And this is the solution to my differential equation that passes through the point 1, 0. So this question was pretty easy all around. I was surprised. So, alright, see you next time.